Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dallas County and north central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County and north central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Coppell, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Carrollton, Farmers Branch and University Park around 5:05 p.m. Addison around 5:10 p.m. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 434 and 445. Interstate 635 between mile markers 23 and 36. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.